Evangelist Mama Pat na ebeto abontin se mami sebi stroke anu odin patch na no nyina achia Mama Pat entumi ye no ho hwe te ye bone pampers ni ade nyina na asemi anu aye de na obatampa travel and tour express consultancy for na esomase ande also onya sadwumadi bia ahwe best so be subscribe no wa share na onua bia owo baby so ono so enye bia hwe na we nsem no nyina ekoso na Evangelist Mama Pat ono akasa epia bontin ono akasa se wa na dwen se aga social media super dia nko beba so de na nka che anko ogi na home kakra pa anko beba so ache na enso oti nkwasiasem ne nsem ayeka yade anu odin a ye boto no so ewuto a amanfo bona na ewo se obetena so na oyi ne ho ano na no na yesi achia no ono ankasa ede be kira ache se na no nchia ye Evangelist Mama Pat say yare wo he obia ni wa on yare wo he obia ntumem yare bia tumi bo bia so ono Mama Pat wo kase wo yare pa no oboa wa yare papa pe mu odi na sanko no se Kristo nka no ho a anka na ni fie ho na aye se eyi no anka ombe mu bie mu da Oxygen this is in so near there for good 7 days. Not just a hoto dia hoto pa de oni bi o yare pa e mu odin yare ni mu be ye din a ye gene to hospital 7 days na Oxygen abam de na chese owo kwan so ano nam no na ne e na hye ne tan a ama ode ne wosie kakra wantimi ahye ne ho so a waba betena bonten akasa ne se hwan ne wo wiase won yare na adesefo bi edi asofo ni bi na chese wo de akutia pa na ekoma ye ne former ana yes husband de koma Pastor Drew nkrofo ekuma sa asofo no se na no achia ye bo pampers srem ma me part onya kura nka ne pietoi nkobe wura ma ya hwe no wahu se pampers mo no eye hamatie bi ne sa ne to a je so ode to na no ya waka ne so enchia je so ode kasa esan se wo se anu achia entimi ye awrade adwuma anu achia entimi nka awrade amene ye anu achia entimi ndi adansepa for no Kristo hu enti se si ade ohome kakra ja so na ma eye ne future husband angel enti enna kakra ka de angel ne be adwuma wa show them enti ode ne wo che wiase nyina se wa yare mode na so nye sa yare fo na ebi mo eboto re so se wanya stroke otwa mo Yesu din mo so yenti Mama Pat emra
and now 15th November 2023. Mama Pat, I have decided not to come to the media, but I will not sit down for anyone to say obe kayaria enemy so de atomeso. Bitue mano achia. Ebusia. Mano na achia na medetia no. I have decided not to come to the media. I have decided not to come to the media. And you know, Bible said, "Yaya Christophe." And what's a yatina sema say time? A cast some de to ya bra boso. Ewa bra ni say time. E kadia to ya bra boso no. And yes, anatie. Obia to me yare. But then yes, obia yarea. Na jale bonnie ni pasu no. Obatina se me ni padia beto so. Sama Mama Pat to na no achia. O to be nante. Mi fie na me jira no. Mi mubungu demo. Mi mubungu demo. Mi ni jira. This is me. Evangelist Mama Pat Agradaa. This is me. Na no achia wabubu egu dem obo pampers. I will not allow anybody. So obeka ya reborn and atum abraboso. I reject it in the mighty name of Jesus. I reject it in the mighty name of Jesus. Memadao, I'm thinking about my thinking. And I have so many things to do. I have so many things to do. Tisama kama nuwa tu. Na me tell me baby na me yare. Yare do obi yare. Eri mi ntwa mo ntoro. Ma yare. Ba Yesu ageme. Na Yesu na wageme no. Wamfa no achia ntom abraboso. Wamfa na ye bubuo ene pampers antom abraboso. Because Christo no ofre me no, onim de ntia wo frɛ me And God will not allow any evil or any Satan to destroy my life. So I am not going to sit down for anybody. So baby and anwa kaya react to me so. I know you advise me not to talk. I am not going to sit down. Sabron sambe kaya reborning at the atuma baraboso. Then I come and what to say. You say oh home foul. Yes, yale dia mayare pa by Christo ajeme. Christo ajeme. The we are so be also yare. Na no chase be ba betina se. And yes na no achia and I'm throw challenge and ne you November na your 15th November 2023. Mo wa mo here time mommy. I was saying, where are you? Check the time for me. Time me saying. What are you people talking about? Mon pasum due. Mon pasum due. Me na menim yare makom. A Christo agem medim ya bankom. Awurade di me ho afofia ma me nkwane ahoden. And I have decided, say, may recover before I will come out and give my testimony to God. Na nipa betina social media so. Se na no achia, ano na achia no na me de kasa no. Obiantimi kaya le born into my brabo so. I will never accept it. I reject it in the mighty name of Jesus. It's back to the sender. It's back to the sender. I am a warrior and I am a warrior for Christ. I am a warrior and I am a warrior for Christ. And then I'm going to say. And then I'm going to say. Men are me deme home. And I'm taking me decision. So decision, I was like, check the time for me. 10:47. And then I and then I we're going, and then I hey, we're going to force. And then I was here for roots. I want to say, my imagine say me nyama social media no so. But so whether you like it or not, we manipulate the system. Me yale pao. Me yare, me free hospital by 2 days my. I will never deny say me yare papa. But I would idea what Gemino is a testimony for me. Now no so say me yare you to me full. And then me call hospital. Then you tell me say them. Now you kaya the bonding the to my brother bosso. Say me man watch ya. Between man watch ya. I know na achia no. And ya dia ba na 10:50. Echo 1K man watch ya. Adibo na uja wa brother bom na dru baby. Now if you get encounter with God, now say what's na baby. Na awurade ni a watse. Any awurade sama wa kachiro no, you should obey it. By Christ our friend can tell me say, maintenance say time and fire the bonny and Christ won't find to my bravo so. If I'm to my bravo so. On to be nante. On to be nante. Nan watch ya or that them you bought the pampers. Bijina ya bought me pampers well. Bijina ya bought me pampers well. Bijina man watch ya. Bijina me di koto dwe. And then unto all. You people not should push me. Because I'm not ready to come out to fight anybody.
Me da asese o je bread twa me. E mo so fo akwentua. E na me de ensembro bakram.